What's up, my YouTube babies? And it's your girl Jess, and you guys are tuned in to another episode of vlogmas, episode 2. As y'all see, your girl got tissue. I had me a protein shake. It is 12:59. I'm about to go to lunch, and I'm still sick, and I am working. But it's been a decent day. It's not been too hectic. You know, I've been sitting here chilling. I could easily get into bed, but my computer, I need 2 screens. So, yeah, I'm working here and getting my shit done. Welcome y'all to episode 2 of the vlog. Like I said, I'm not really probably doing anything because I am still trying to get over a cold. And I'm trying to make myself get back fully healed because I've had pneumonia and RSV, which I didn't even know that adults could get RSV. I thought that was something that they said is only from kids, but obviously it's very strong. And I went to a kid's party maybe like a few weeks ago, and I've probably been sick for like 2.5 weeks, including the whole week of Thanksgiving. Like, I was up and down, back and forth, feeling good. One day I'll be good, and the next day I won't be. And then Texas weather is just so bipolar. Like, it makes no sense how bipolar this weather is. Like, one day it's hot as fuck, the next day it's cold as fuck, the next day it's raining and hot, the next day it's raining and cold, and it's just a ever revolving door of random weather here. So that hasn't been doing me any justice either, because I am fucking sick. Like, I know over these last few weeks I done spent probably like $300 on cold medicine, on stuff to make organic orange juice or like an immunity juice instead of keep buying it from the store. Like, I bought a whole thing of oranges, I bought pomegranate, I bought grapefruit, lemon, mango, ginger, mint, all type of shit that you could think to go into an immunity drink to help you gain all the calcium and vitamins that you need to heal yourself. Like, I bought all that shit, made a juice, and like I said, I know I done spent a good like $100 on medicine. So, and I made homemade chicken noodle soup like twice. So yeah, I done spent hella money on trying to get better, and this is now going into week 3 of me being sick. But we still here, we still pushing. Y'all, it's not, they said RSV isn't like COVID, but it is not curable. So you really just have to let it like do what it do and just ride the wave until you feel better. And this is like, I think, my first time ever being sick on a holiday. Like, I haven't been sick on a holiday. And granted, I didn't go home, but if I had known that I was gonna have a whole week off being sick and I wasn't sick, and I had the whole week off, I would have went home to visit my family. But everybody, since being older, everybody's just all over the place. And it's really hard to try to spend time with everybody because some people are in Atlanta and some people are in Tennessee. And so, yeah, I just, you know, got to figure out how to like bring it all together. But hopefully everybody will be in Tennessee soon. But yeah, my lease is up here in Texas in April, and I don't know if I want to go back to Tennessee or if I want to go back to Atlanta or where I want to go. I honestly want to get the fuck out of America altogether, because America, and just like watching TikToks and seeing like YouTubers travel to these other countries, it would be different because it's not our norm. You know, it's not my norm. You know, living in another country and getting accustomed to their culture and their things that they do. But at this point, I'm willing to try anything because like everything is just overpriced for no reason. Our government is fucking crazy. So yeah, it's a lot of things that's going on in America that I wouldn't even want to touch on, but it is one of the reasons why I'm like heavily considering like finding out how to have dual citizenship or to go to another country to live, because yeah. Rambling. I don't think this vlog today is gonna be super long because again, it's the start of a work week and I don't feel good. And let's not say I don't feel good. I feel better than I was before, but I want to be 100%. I say last week I was probably at 30%, and this week I'm probably at like 60 or 70. So I'm almost there, not quite, but yeah, I'm ready to be 100% back myself. Like, my hair looking full. I was supposed to do my nails and curl my hair yesterday. Didn't do none of that shit. Yesterday was just random anyway. So yeah, it's a new day, start of a new month again. I did go ahead and organize my calendar, which it just helps me to stay focused with like my goals, affirmations, and manifestations. The girl is just trying to get back in the swing of life, get back in the swing of her self. And this is me today, chilling in my robe. I'm about to go on lunch. Like I said, I got an hour lunch. So honestly, I'm probably finna take a nap, probably. Take a nap for my hour and then figure out what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. For y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but y'all will see it shortly. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in to episode 1, and episode 2 will be up today. And today is December the 2nd, so we on the motherfucking roll, y'all. And last night I was supposed to get episode 1 up because, yeah, it was just a lot that just hindered it, and then I had took some medicine and fell asleep, and so episode 1 is up today. So y'all be getting 2 vlogs today on December the 2nd. So episode 1 is pretty lengthy because I didn't know that I had enough footage. I did have enough footage, but I still ended up chopping it down, so it's still long. It's like 48 minutes, just me rambling, talking. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna log out, go to lunch, and I'll check in with y'all later. See y'all. From earlier, so your girl is off work now. It is now 6 something. I got to work at 5. We just got back in the house from walking the dogs. And so now your girl is about to probably do something to my hair. I gotta watch videos, some vlogs from Lily. A lot of people done posted their vlogmas videos, and Lily is about to post a video that I've been waiting for her to post. Cause boo, we need to see Lily. So I'm ready to watch that. But before I do that, I did want to check in with y'all because, as stated, I did order some stuff from the Black Friday sale from Amazon. Come here, Cokie. Come here, Mama Booty. Look at my Coco Mommy. Hey, Booty. Is this my Coco Mommy? Say hey, Mama. Say hey, my little shitty with a little Christmas outfit on. Don't you look so cute? There go Bella, y'all. Hey, Big Mama. Y'all, these my babies. Hey, my belly. They're my Cokie. Come here, Belly. Let me show them you too. Come here, Big Mama. Yeah, they're my Big Mama. And this Big Mama, y'all. Say hey, Bells. With her same little sweater on. Say hey, Big Mommy. They're my old lady. They're my Big Mommy. They're my Bella Welly. And this, my Coco Mommies. Both mama babies. Say hey, girls. They get on my nerves like fucking kids, but I love them so much, so bad. As stated, I'm off work. I ordered some stuff from Amazon Prime Black Friday sale, and really it wasn't no Black Friday sale to me. It was some bullshit. It was like some stuff that they marked down on what the price usually is, so that you could think you're getting a deal, but you ain't. So let me show y'all the stuff I got. First, I've been dealing with like body acne since I hit 30. Like, that shit is so weird to me, and I don't like it. Especially, I'm used to getting like spots on my face, as y'all see. Like, I got acne and shit on my face, but I'm not used to getting body acne the way I have. So I'll be talking to ChatGPT, and if y'all don't use ChatGPT, y'all need to use it because it's so beneficial. You can do and ask it anything, and it'll help more than just writing an essay and stuff like that. But I chatted with ChatGPT and asked it, like, what can I do to, like, help my skin, you know, especially since I'm having, like, sensitive breakouts. I've tried to change my body washes. I've tried body washes for acne specifically, and I'm still getting it. So yeah, I don't know. So ChatGPT said that I should try a silicone brush. So this is the first thing I got. It was like $7.99 from Amazon, and it's like really soft bristles, and it comes with like this massaging pad area too. And it said that you want to clean it by by putting it in boiling water for 30 seconds, or you can put it in a dishwasher. And I'm like, I'm not gonna put my shit in the dishwasher. So I put it in a bowl of boiling water with peroxide, alcohol, and antibacterial soap. Let it sit in there for a minute instead of 30 seconds, rinse it off. And I haven't used it yet, but this is one of the first things I got. And again, as y'all see, I suffer from acne, and I've always suffered from acne since I became like I wouldn't say once I got into my preteen years. Like I started suffering with acne, and I started with like Neutrogena, and then my auntie was buying me the Proactive system. Proactive was fucking horrible. Like that shit made my face break out more. And then I went to Clean and Clear. Clean and Clear worked. So I'm just a product junkie, and I like to try stuff. And I don't know why my light just did that. Let me see. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to like put some curls in my hair because I felt like I was looking like a fool. So I did some wand curls real quick. Now I'm combing them out with a big wide tooth comb. But y'all, because I started watching Love and Hip Hop, and then of course I curl my hair and stuff like that. But let me just get to the gist of the video, because the rest of this video was just supposed to be showing y'all the stuff that I got from Amazon Black Friday. So I showed y'all the little wash thing I got. And then, like I told y'all, this was supposed to come yesterday, but it didn't come till today. So I had got these eyebrow wax strips. So it just says just cut, peel, and go. And they are pre-wax wax strips. This is what they look like. I got them from Amazon. On sale for like, I think $4.99, $5.99. The name of the brand is Snatched. And then this also comes with Skin Shield powder. It says it helps strip adhere to hair and not the skin. So that's what I got there for my eyebrows. So I'm gonna try to wax my own eyebrows at home. The next thing I got was this Aquasonic Ultra Whitening Electric Toothbrush. This was like a regular $50, and I got it on sale for 20 something, I think. Yeah, like $25. So I needed a new one, a new electric toothbrush. So I ended up getting this one. And it had a whole bunch of reviews. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let me get this bad boy. And it's black, because it says that it's the black series. I didn't know that it was any other series, but it says the black series. So we got that. And then I also got a new face brush, because like I told you, I ordered some La Roche-Posay new skincare. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got too. So my skin is like very oily, or a combination to dry, oily. So the skincare I got from La Roche-Posay is basically covering that, like combination oily skin. But this is the new face brush that I got. It's from the brand called Clee, C-L-I-E. And it says Niagara Cooler. Inspire Beauty with Niagara Cooler. Maybe that's the brand. It is. It's called Niagara Cooler, N-A-G-R-A Cooler. And it says it's the softest skincare device in the world, child. With a little book. And then it's supposed to be just like the body brush. It's supposed to be silicone, so it can come in this cute little blue color. They had other colors, but they were actually more. I think this color was on sale for like 20 something, but the other colors they had were on sale for like 34. But as y'all see, like it has like the soft bristles, and it's electric. Lastly, I got a new like makeup band for like my lashes and stuff. I think this was on sale for like $6. So I needed that, and like when I go out places and stuff, this will be used for that too. So got that. And then on to the Roche-Posay stuff. And I'm getting one more thing, which is some toner. But the first thing I got is this the Roche-Posay Alpha Clear Purifying Foaming Gel Cleanser for oily skin. They had this on sale for like $19. It's the big bottle. They had a little bottle. And then I got the Roche-Posay Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. This was a pretty big bottle, and this is for oily and combination skin too. I got this Sarah Zinc, basically soothing sulfate solution. So it's kind of like a toner, but also I would say it's like, it says it's a toner, but I would put this on like before doing makeup. Good stuff about this Snail Mucin, which is supposed to be like a toner or like a serum. Actually, yeah, this is like a serum. But yeah, that was all I really got. I didn't get anything really major from Amazon Black Friday sale because like I said, it really wasn't a fucking sale for real. And then also, it wasn't nothing that I really said that I needed. Like I could have got a new computer chair because I need that, but it was just like, I'd rather get stuff that I feel like it's gonna be needed for my self-care to make me feel good. Because that's what this is about. It's about self-care. It's about feeling good. And yeah, so that's what I spend my money on for my Black Friday sale. It's just some self-care stuff, new toothbrush, new face brush, some waxing stuff, some face stuff, and yeah, that's about it. But y'all, like I said, I put some curls in my hair. I took some medicine, so I'm probably gonna make some tea, and then yeah, I might do my nails tonight. I don't know. I think I'm gonna save my eyebrows and do that tomorrow, like when I get off work, and put that on part of tomorrow's vlog, because I don't feel like doing it tonight. It's like 9 something tonight. I really been in there watching vlogmases from people, so that's probably what I'm finna do. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of Vlogmas Day 2. I think it's gonna be enough footage. I don't know. If it's not, then it's just gonna be a short vlog. But thank y'all for rocking with me today, and your girl will see you tomorrow on episode